Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to keep your tabs open when you close your browser and then open it up again. So pretty much what this means. So sometimes if you don't do any settings in your Chrome, say I will just open up my YouTube, and if I don't have that setting, when I open this tab and then I close the browser, the app will not be opened up again when I launch my browser once more. And instead you will get this screen that just has like a home screen with a new empty tab. So if you want to save what you've opened so that you don't have to open it up again, you need to go to your settings, guys. Settings here in the browser. Then you need to navigate to On Startup tab in here and just choose the continue where you left off. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. That's exactly what's going to happen. So if I, for example, open up my Chrome, or sorry, my YouTube, and then I close the browser and let me open it up again. All right, as you can see, I'm opening it again. I haven't done anything, just opened the browser. And now, as you can see, instantly I've got the same tabs, including my settings tab, opened. And yeah, I can continue using them from where I've left off. So that's pretty much it. One single setting improves your user experience by quite a bit. Enjoy the video, guys. I hope you like the videos. If you do, leave a comment and of course subscribe.